through this video series for NABARD Grade A and Grade B examination 2017. Now through this video series we'll be telling in detail the pattern, the eligibility conditions, the cutoffs for phase 1 as well as phase 2, how to prepare for NABARD Grade A and Grade B examination, what are the books, what are the sources that one has to follow, as well as how you have to go about your preparation, right? How you have to be smart in your preparation. So let's start. The notification for NABARD Grade A and Grade B examination 2017 is expected to be out by the second week of June 2017. Right, so in another around 2 weeks of time, maximum 15 to 20 days, the notification is expected to be out. The phase 1 is tentatively to be held in August, and the phase 2 should be held in late July or in early September 2017. So we are expecting around 100 to 110 vacancies for both Grade A and Grade B combined. So there will be around 90 to 95 vacancies for Grade A and around 10 to 15 vacancies for Grade B. Right. So there was a confusion that maybe this year Grade B vacancies won't be out by this NABARD. But what we are hearing is that some vacancies will be there for Grade B this year. Maybe from next year they will be scrapping the Grade B vacancies overall. Right. So maybe from next year there will be only Grade A vacancies, but this year we are expecting around 100 to 110 vacancies combined for Grade A as well as Grade B. Let's see. See, as far as the pattern of examination is concerned for NABARD, what happens is that this examination is conducted in 3 phases. That is phase 1 plus phase 2 plus phase 3 or the interview phase. Fine. So these are the 3 stages in which the examination is held. The phase 1 as well as phase 2 is online. Both these examinations are online and both are objective, except for the paper of English in phase 2. Right. So except for the paper of English in phase 2, all the papers are objective. Even the paper of English is online but is descriptive in nature. The paper is held online. It has to be typed. You have to type the essay, you have to type the précis, you have to type the letter, or you have to write the answers to the reading comprehension or with the help of the keyboard. So it is a descriptive paper, although it is held online. So both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2, are held online. All the papers except for English of phase 2 are objective in nature, that is contain MCQ, multiple choice questions. Now as far as the pattern of phase 1 is concerned for NABARD, it is same for Grade A and Grade B. Right, so if there are a total of 100 vacancies or 110 vacancies for Grade A and Grade B combined, the paper for phase 1 is the same for Grade A as well as Grade B. For Grade A we call it assistant manager, and for Grade B the post is manager. Fine. So the pattern for phase 1 is same, the only difference is in the cutoffs. So obviously the cutoff for Grade B would be higher than the cutoff for Grade A as far as the phase 1 examination is concerned. The pattern remaining the same. So what is the pattern for phase 1? The pattern consists of part 1 and part 2. Part 1 consists of these 5 sections. Now the first section is reasoning, 40 questions, 40 marks. Second section is English language, again 40 questions and 40 marks. The third section is computer knowledge, 20 questions and 20 marks. The fourth section is general awareness or GA, again 20 questions or 20 marks. The fifth section is quantitative aptitude or quant, 30 questions and 30 marks. Right. So these are the 5 sections in the part 1. These 2 sections were introduced in 2016. Right. So these are the new sections that were introduced in 2016. The first section is the economics and social issues, 25 marks and 25 questions. And the second section is agriculture and rural development, 25 marks and 25 questions. Fine. So combining all these questions and marks, the total marks comes out to be 200. 200 questions, 200 marks. Fine. And you have to attempt this paper in 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. So it is 200 questions, 200 marks, 120 minutes. These are the 2 parts, and the first part comprises of these 5 sections and the second part comprises of these 2 sections. Let's move on. See, the pattern underwent a change in 2016. So as far as the phase 1 of 2015 is concerned, it used to contain these 4 sections. Right, so quant used to be of 50 marks, reasoning used to be of 50 marks, English language and computer awareness used to be asked as a single section. 60 marks, that is 30 each. Right, so now in 2016 the pattern was changed and English and computer awareness were split into different sections. So up till 2015 these two sections used to come as a single section. English language and computer awareness were 60 marks and general awareness used to be of 40 marks. So in total 100 plus 60, 160 plus 40, 200. So again it used to be 200 questions, 200 marks and 130 minutes of composite time. 130 minutes. Right. So this used to be the pattern up till 2015 and this is the pattern for 2016. The pattern was changed. Let's find out the difference. The difference was that these four sections comprised of the phase 1 examination till 2015. Quant 50 marks. Now the quant has been reduced from 50 to 30 marks. Reasoning used to be of 50 marks. Now reasoning has come down to 40 marks. English and computer awareness used to be of, it is 60, not 50, it is 60 here. Right, 60 marks. Now English is of 40 marks and computer is of 20 marks. So although the total weightage remains the same, that is 60 marks, it used to be 60 marks earlier, but these two sections have been now taken as independent sections. Right, so general awareness used to be of 40 marks. 40 marks, right? Now general awareness is of 20 marks and ESI and ARD have been included as new sections. Now these are 50 questions worth 50 marks. Right, so this is the new pattern which was given by NABARD in 2016. So this is the difference between the previous pattern and the new pattern. So now you have to prepare all these sections. Kindly note that ESI, that is economics and social issues, and agriculture and rural development, that is ARD. These two sections also form a part of the phase 2 examination of NABARD. Right. So in phase 2 also ESI and ARDs are, so ESI as well as ARD form, they have a weightage in phase 1 examination as well as in phase 2 examination. So in the next video now we will be talking about the cutoff marks for phase 1 in 2016 as well as in 2015. So we will be seeing that out of 200 marks overall, what was the cutoff, what was the sectional cutoff. You have to keep in mind that there is sectional cutoff as well. So for every section there is a sectional cutoff and there is an overall cutoff. Overall cutoff. Right, then there is category wise cutoff. Category wise cutoff. Right, so if you belong to general category, the cutoff is different. If you belong to SC category, the cutoff is different. So we will see the category wise cutoff as well as the sectional cutoff and the overall cutoff as far as phase 1 is concerned. We will see these cutoffs for 2016 as well as 2015. If you want to connect with us, this is our Facebook page, Target RBI Grade B Exam. This is our blog address. Right, so we will be putting the NABARD articles also here. This is our website, edutab.co.in. The name of the website is edutab.co.in. We will be launching the course very soon for NABARD Grade A and Grade B. Right, we will be starting with Grade A first. This is the YouTube channel where you are viewing this video. You can see other videos as well on this channel. And if you want to write a mail to us, drop a mail to us, kindly drop us a mail on this address, learnofy@gmail.com or crackrb@gmail.com. Right. Thank you.